Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Teacher. It's great to see you here. I hope you're having a wonderful day.
Hello, friends. Thanks for joining us. We're very happy you're here with us, learning English in a calm and friendly way.
Yes. Today we have a nice, easy lesson. But first, Leo, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good, but a little sleepy. I stayed up too late last night.
Oh no. Why did you stay up late?
I was watching a cooking show. You know me, I'm terrible at cooking, but I enjoy watching other people cook.
Yes, that sounds like you. I'm feeling good today too, relaxed and ready to chat.
That's perfect. And you at home, listeners, how are you feeling today? Take 1 second and say it out loud. Are you tired, happy, hungry, curious?
Talking about your feelings is great English practice. Okay, today's topic is weekend activities, what we do on Saturdays and Sundays.
And that's a fun topic because everyone's weekend is a little different.
Leo, what do you usually do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I like to relax. That word relax means to rest and feel calm. I usually drink coffee, read a book, and sometimes take a nap.
A nap is a short sleep, maybe 20 or 30 minutes.
Exactly. What about you, Emma?
My weekends are usually active. I like to go for a walk in the park. Sometimes I meet friends for lunch.
That sounds nice. The phrase go for a walk means you walk for fun, not because you need to go somewhere.
Yes. And I love being outside. Oh, and sometimes I bake on weekends.
Bake? Really? You didn't tell me this. What do you bake?
Cookies, cakes, simple things. Don't worry, Leo. I'll bring you cookies next time.
Good. My weekend plans now include wait for cookies.
Okay, learners, let's teach a few more weekend vocabulary words.
Here's one. Hang out. To hang out means to spend time with someone in a relaxed way. For example, I hang out with my friends on Saturday.
Another one, chill. This is informal. It means relax. I chill at home on Sunday.
And a useful phrase, run errands. This means doing small tasks like going to the store, mailing something, or buying groceries.
Right. For example, on Saturday morning, I run errands. I buy food and clean my room.
Ooh, here's a fun one. Sleep in. It means to wake up late. Like me, this morning. I wanted to sleep in.
But you watched cooking shows instead.
Yes, my life is full of delicious mistakes.
That's a great line.
So, Leo, what is your favorite weekend activity?
I think my favorite is reading. I like reading because it's quiet, it's peaceful, and I don't have to move very much.
Very true. My favorite weekend activity is walking. It helps me think and relax at the same time.
That's nice, and it's healthy, too.
Yes. Learners, what about you? What do you like doing on the weekend?
Maybe you like watching movies, playing games, cooking, or cleaning. Yes, cleaning can be a weekend activity too.
Not my favorite one, but yes.
Same here. Let's teach a few simple sentence patterns you can practice.
On weekends, I watch movies.
On weekends, I clean my room.
On weekends, I hang out with friends.
Great. Here's another. Examples. I like to sleep in on the weekend. I like to cook on the weekend.
One more. This is useful for talking about things you do not every weekend. Examples. Sometimes I go hiking. Sometimes I visit my grandparents.
Nice and simple.
Emma, do you ever just do nothing?
Oh, yes. Sometimes my weekend activity is sit on the couch and stare at the wall.
That sounds relaxing and dramatic.
I'm a very dramatic person.
We know.
Hey.
Just kidding.
Okay, friends, let's review the vocabulary from today.
Here we go. Relax, rest and feel calm. Nap, short sleep. Go for a walk, walk for fun. Bake, cook in the oven. Hang out, spend relaxed time with someone. Chill, relax, informal. Run errands, do small tasks outside the home. Sleep in, wake up late.
Great job! Remember, practice makes progress.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video. It really helps our channel, Mr. English Teacher.
And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons every week.
Now, our question for you. What do you do on the weekend? Tell us in the comments. We want to read your answers.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.